Hello, today I'm going to play Speedrun 4 on Roblox. I'm trying to beat it today, and I don't even know if there's an end, because, yeah, I still have no clue. This music was already in the game, so I kind of just let it be because, I don't know, I wanted to. I like the sound of it. Plus, I don't want to put music in. I don't think this is copyright, so it always gets copyright claimed, but I don't care because I think it kind of sounds cool with the music sped up because, I mean, I listened to it not sped up, but when I heard it sped up, it was great. This is the best one. It's rainbow and everything you need. Yeah. I think in the last video I said that next I'd do a cooking video, but this video is kind of random. I played this game today and I just thought, ooh, I should film it, and so I filmed it. But you know, I'm editing this video the day that I played it. You saw me die and this, so yeah. I feel like I keep on seeing the same Roblox characters. Probably because we're on the same stage. This is like where I usually end it because I can't get any farther, but I never made one of these videos before. So yeah, I love this stage. It's the best one. Maybe it's one of the best ones. This is the hardest part on this one. I eventually got it. You just see me hanging around the edge. Go! Yay. So the stages basically go like So like this is like the first stage on this one. It's like all green and it has the same kind of the same song. Just you'll see what I'm talking about on the next one. The dance that I'm doing, it kind of helps me like jump on the other ones. It kind of makes me stable sometimes. So like on this part. You see, it's the same music here, and it's the same like sand and everything. Is this music familiar? Yeah, I think it is. This one was kind of confusing, but who cares? Spoiler alert, me! Because I had to go through this.